Hi, in this tutorial we're going to create an Express application. Just remember that you need to have installed Node.js on your system. So if you don't have it, let's head to this website nodejs.org and download the Node. At this point you must create a folder. For example, we can call this Express standard and open this folder. You can open this in a text editor. I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. At this point you should open a terminal and you must init, so you have to do npm init to create your package.json file. Just spam enter. The defaults are great and you can always change things later. So if you open the package.json file right now, you should have something like this. This will be your main file, and at this point we should do npm install express. So you should see here a new dependency with Express version 4. It depends by your node installation, so it could be different. And npm installs the node modules. At this point you should create an index.js file, so index.js. And now if you write something inside this file and use, for example, console log hello, here we are ready to go. You can use node index.js and as you can see you have hello.